Um, think. Have a particular opinion of, belief, or idea about someone or something. Used in questions to express anger or surprise. Believe. Be of the opinion. Have as one's opinion. Be of the view. Be under the impression. Expect, imagine, anticipate, surmise, suppose, conjecture, guess, fancy, conclude, determine, reason, reckon, figure, opine, win, deem, judge, hold, consider, presume, estimate, regard as, view as. Direct one's mind towards someone or something. Use one's mind. Direct one's mind towards someone or something. Use one's mind actively to form connected ideas. 1. Have a particular mental altitude. Hindi. Have a particular mental attitude or approach. Ponder, reflect, deliberate, meditate, contemplate, muse, cogitate, ruminate, be lost in thought, be in a brown study, brood, concentrate, oh, rack, rack one's brains, put on one's thinking cap, sleep on it, cerebrate. 2. Imagine an actual or possible situation. Imagine, picture, visualize, envisage, envision, and dream about, fantasize about.